We're here in IKEA right now. We're gonna look around to see if we can buy some things that we need. But first, let's eat lunch first.
Chicken wings. Yes.
Ano sa'yo?
Raspberry.
Raspberry. Eto? Okay.
May cola sila.
Ah. That's our food. So this is what we ordered: the pork meatballs, chicken wings, salad, chicken skewers, and the almond cake. Meatballs.
Oh, ano? Paano kapag platter?
Rice is live. Chicken wings.
Ilan yung laki ng mga chicken? Ito guys, 45 pesos. Refillable na siya. Meron silang lemon. Ano nga yun? Sparkling lemon. Sparkling raspberry. Sparkling cola. Tapos half sugar lang siya. So very healthy.
Wait lang. po niyang ginalingan. Masyado po niyang sineryoso. We're done eating lunch, so let's look around if meron tayong mabibili dito ngayon. No. It's not meant for old people.
149 pesos.
It's meant for kids, not for you.
No. To?
Stainless or itong plastic?
The white one.
Sure
Let's-
na white.
Yeah. Yes.
Stainless or...
Yung may salukan. Okay yung stainless basta may sulukan.
Ito kasi may kasama ng... May
Salok.
kasama ng... Oo, dito madidrain yung water.
How much is that?
69.
Wow.
69 lang to.
So cheap. Yeah.
Pero let's check the light bulb kung gumagana. Sa entrance.
Hello. Pero guys, dahil... Wow! Wow!
Pupunta tayo ng doon malapit sa elevator kasi yung mga pinggan na binili natin need natin i-wrap ng paper kasi baka mabasag. Tapos na tayo sa IKEA, so ngayon let's go to the Matcha Tokyo for coffee. Let's try their matcha if it's good or not. Salted matcha. That.
Salted matcha that.
Tapos okay din yung isipin mo.
Manabi.
Kaya gusto ko yung magpapa-high kasi ng pag-blend. Ako magpapantan. Araw-araw na lang sinagay.
Sa'yo yung may cream. Tsaka clear matcha latte.
Parang plastic.
Mas masarap na ba yun?